What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm happy to announce my newest partnership. That's with NaturNest. They sent me out their shower awning, and today I'm going to be working on installing that. I also bought some pretty cool brackets, some quick removal brackets for the awning, so it's doesn't have to be on the truck all the time. And I also kind of have a plan, maybe, set in place for the future with the shower awning. Because not only do I want to use it on the truck, there's somewhere else I'm going to end up using it, but I got to give it a shot first before I actually dive into where I'm going to be using this shower awning. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So as you can see, I'm using these standard awning mounts. I had some extras lying around. So I got two of those that I'm going to be using, and those will be mounted in my roof rack. And then these, where's the other end of it? Here it is. So this is the quick connect mount that I'm going to be using. So you just pull the pin and it disconnects. It comes out of the slot, so it'll actually be this way. So this part will be attached to the awning. This side will be attached to the roof rack. Connects just like that, slides in, then you pull your pin and it locks in place, and it's pretty solid setup. So when I bought these, I thought I had measured out the size of these holes, or the distance of these holes, and I must have had a brain fart or something, but they do not fit on here. So what I'm gonna do is that I've already looked inside of here just to get this, make sure it's gonna work. What I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna be putting two holes here in the back brace of the shower awning. It's not gonna ruin the integrity of the awning. I'll end up putting some rubber grommets between this and here, so if it does rain, nothing gets inside. I think it'll be just fine. So with that said, it's gonna end up, as you can see, like this, and then either here or here I will have to drill a set of holes so it's securely mounted to the shower awning. So with that said, let's get into it. Oh, I almost forgot. I also have to, because the setup on this, on the mount, is different, I have to drill in some holes for that to fit. Luckily this is all aluminum, so they're quick. It's pretty quick to drill these holes, and it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, it should be fairly easy. And I say that, knock on wood. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's roll that B-roll footage. All right, everyone, so I got it figured out. I got my brackets up there, my mounting brackets, and I also was able to figure out the quick disconnects for the shower awning. All right, so let's see if we can get this up there without incident. Again, I don't have it secured. Got it up there. Let's get this thing on and secured. All right, pull that pin. Pull that pin. There we go. She's on there for now. I kind of like that feature. It's not how it's supposed to be, but I like that. I think it's kind of cool. All right, so that's it right there in a nutshell, I guess. Just a little play because I don't have it cinched down up here all the way. I guess I can go ahead and do that. All right, that's good enough for now. So we'll call that. And I can actually end up moving this up if I don't like where it's at. Because it's actually pretty freaking solid not having to drill into there. That's surprising. That's crazy how solid that is. All right, so let's open this thing up. Let's take a look at it. So again, this is the NaturNest shower awning. And again, I've teamed up with them. They had sent this out for me to review and to check out. I'm pretty excited about this. I think the wife's gonna be pretty excited about this. Let's see. Never opened this thing before, so let's see how this works. And I am on the sidewalk, so it's gonna sit a little. It's gonna look like it's gonna be on the ground. There's another strap. Oh, that just opens right up. There you go. Just like that. Look at that. That is nice. So full coverage all the way around. You can lift these up if you want. These can come up too. Let's see. Woo! It also has an LED light strip in here. Yep, right here. For nighttime. So you can see what you're doing at night. And then the roof comes up and over. Let's go ahead and check out this roof here. Okay, I see. So it's got Velcro all on the side here. So that holds it on. Could have shut my door, but I didn't. It's okay. Look at that. Full freaking privacy, guys. This is going to be awesome when we're at the beach. Just for like a quick beach day. And we want the kids to get the sand off of them. They'll have somewhere to change now. Look at that. And obviously it'll be staked down, so it won't be flying around as much. Then my tent will be open. There could even be the annex right here, and just a straight shot to the bathroom. That would be nice. Oh yeah, this is glamping, guys. This is a. Let's take a look on the inside. Dang. Check this out. I don't know how well you can see it. I don't have a battery out here for the light strip, but get this adjusted. So on the inside here, you have, this would be for a shower head. You run the shower head up through here, Velcroed on, tie it off, and it's good to go. It's got a couple extra pockets for whatever necessities you need to add on. If you need to get, say, into the truck, or if you need some airflow, we know how it can get in here, because this isn't just a shower, it's a bathroom as well. Yeah, this thing's, it's a little wobbly just because it's not secured all the way. But that's going to get changed. Just very, very well built. I really like these struts. That thing just popped right open on its own. It's gonna, yeah, this is gonna make a huge difference. My old bathroom I used to have was just a two-sided quick pop-up thing that I had to put in my truck, had to get it out, put the floor down, do all this other stuff, and this is just gonna be quick, easy, set up, tear down. I'm excited to get out there and try this thing. So yeah, like I said, I'm super excited for this. Thank you, NaturNest, for sending this out and teaming up with me. And yeah. So again, thanks for tagging along, guys, and watching me install this and get it all hooked up and ready to go. Let's get out to camping and have fun. All right, see ya.